Hi everyone, welcome back to You and I Can Cook. In today's video, I'm going to show you a delicious egg biryani recipe. This egg biryani is made with extra long grain basmati rice, spiced hard-boiled eggs, topped with caramelized onions and aromatic spices, delighting your senses in every bite. If you like this recipe, then give it a thumbs up. Also share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thanks for watching. I have taken 8 hard-boiled eggs. Peel the eggs and make 3 to 4 lengthwise shallow slits on the boiled eggs. Marinate the eggs with half teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and a quarter teaspoon of chilli powder. Mix well so that the eggs are well coated and then set aside for a few minutes. To make the gravy, I have taken 3 medium tomatoes, 3 medium onions, 4 green chillies, a few coriander leaves and mint leaves, 100 grams of lightly beaten yogurt. Chop the onions, tomatoes, mint and coriander leaves. Also slit the green chillies. I also have a few whole spices here: bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves, star anise, black cardamom, green cardamom, mace and shahi jeera. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and shallow fry the eggs on medium heat till they get a lightly golden color. Eggs have got a beautiful golden color. Remove them out and set them aside. Add 1 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon ghee to a cooking pot. When the oil is heated, add the whole masala: black cardamom, star anise, green cardamom, a piece of mace or Javitri, cloves, cinnamon, bay leaves and shahi jeera. Fry everything for 30 seconds and then add the chopped onions and saute the onions till they turn golden. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Fry nicely along with the onions till the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes. Add the slit green chillies and continue frying. Add the chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of salt and continue frying till the tomatoes turn nice and soft. I forgot to add the cinnamon when frying the whole masalas, so I am adding it now. Tomatoes have turned soft now. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and fry the masala well till the oil separates. While the masala is cooking, let's prepare the rice. I have taken here 600 grams of extra long grain basmati rice. Wash the rice 3 to 4 times and soak the rice for 30 minutes. Keep the water for heating. Add 1 bay leaf, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 piece of mace, 5 green cardamom, 2 black cardamom and 1 star anise, 5 cloves. Add coriander and mint leaves as well as 3 teaspoons of salt. Water has been boiling for 10 minutes. Now add the soaked rice. Cook on high heat for 1 minute till the water starts boiling. Then lower the heat to medium and cook for another 7 minutes. Tomatoes have turned soft and the masala has fried well. Now lower the heat and add 3 tablespoons of lightly beaten yogurt. Stir continuously for 1 minute to stop the yogurt from splitting. Adjust the salt. Let the gravy remain thick. Add 2 tablespoons of water from the rice to the gravy. I am adding a little oil that remained after browning the onions to the rice so that the rice will not stick. Now add the fried eggs to the gravy. You can add a little more water to the gravy if it is too thick. Add the chopped coriander leaves and the mint leaves and a little bit of the brown onions to the gravy. Mix everything well. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Lower the heat and add 2 teaspoons of cream. Cook for 1 minute and then turn off the flame. Remove all the eggs and some gravy to a bowl. Leave a little bit gravy in the pot and add the first layer of rice that is cooked for 8 minutes. Sprinkle some chopped coriander and mint leaves and a few brown onions on top of the first layer of rice. Add a tablespoon of rice water and then layer the eggs and the gravy on top of the rice. Now add the second layer of rice that is cooked for 9 minutes. Add the remaining gravy on the top. Add 1 tablespoon of oil in which the onions were browned, or add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Sprinkle some brown onions on the top as well as some chopped coriander and mint leaves. Add a little kevra water and rose water to the biryani. This will give a nice aroma to the biryani. Sprinkle a little garam masala powder. Cover the top with a foil so that the steam will not escape out, and then close the lid. Place the pot on a hot tawa and give dum for 15 minutes on medium heat. Once the biryani is cooked, rest the biryani for 10 minutes before opening. Delicious egg biryani is ready. Serve it with some raita and enjoy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you again in my next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.